I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I am show you online video editor and watermark remover. I am edit this video. How to remove video watermark. Let's start. First open your browser and search online dash video dash cutter.com. Open your file. This online video editor, all basic options. Trim, crop, rotate, flip, change resolution, change volume, change speed, loop, stabilize video, add image and add text, and remove logo. Click trim and mark in and mark out. Select area and trim. And next crop. And you crop any size. And next rotate left, right. And next change resolution 720p, 1080p, 1440p, 2K and 480p. And change volume, increase and decrease. And change video speed. And next loop, select 2x, 3x, 4x and 5x and custom, and add any image. And add text. You type any text. And select any color. And last, remove logo. Click logo option and select logo. and safe. Download edit video. This website app comes in handy when you need to cut a small video file. It does not require installation and it's work in your browser. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.